Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you my earning proof of Shutterstock Contributor. So I'm working in Shutterstock from 2022. I already got a payment from Shutterstock. Okay, so I'm going to show you my 2023 January earning proof. So for that one, I am just clicking in the earning and I am just clicking in the earning summary. After that, so now you can see here I am just changing the month of January, and now you can see here it is showing that I have total 13 sales and I got 3.60 at color in Shutterstock. So if you want to also earn money from Shutterstock, you can sign up from my link and you will get few commissions if you sign up from my referral link. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much.